Here are total 15 questions on software testing. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you all the best. Which type of software testing is not done by a tester? A. Unit testing. B. Integration testing. C. System testing. D. Performance testing. The correct answer is A. Unit testing. Which testing type is performed without executing the code? A. Dynamic testing. B. Static testing. C. Regression testing. D. Integration testing. The correct answer is B. Static testing. Which testing verifies that a software application meets business requirements? A. Unit testing. B. System testing. C. Acceptance testing. D. Smoke testing. The correct answer is C. Acceptance testing. Which testing checks the interaction between integrated modules? A. Unit testing. B. Integration testing. C. Security testing. D. Usability testing. The correct answer is B. Integration testing. Which testing ensures previously working functionality still works after changes? A. Smoke testing. B. Regression testing. C. Security testing. D. Compatibility testing. The correct answer is B. Regression testing. Which testing is performed to verify critical functionalities after a new build? A. Smoke testing. B. Stress testing. C. Beta testing. D. Recovery testing. The correct answer is A. Smoke testing. Which testing checks software performance under expected workload? A. Load testing. B. Beta testing. C. Alpha testing. D. Usability testing. The correct answer is A. Load testing. Which testing identifies vulnerabilities and security risks? A. Security testing. B. Recovery testing. C. Compatibility testing. D. Installation testing. The correct answer is A. Security testing. Which testing checks whether software is user-friendly? A. Security testing. B. Usability testing. C. Load testing. D. Regression testing. The correct answer is B. Usability testing. Which testing verifies software works across different browsers, devices, and operating systems? A. Compatibility testing. B. Alpha testing. C. Unit testing. D. Acceptance testing. The correct answer is A. Compatibility testing. Which testing focuses on how quickly the application responds? A. Performance testing. B. Acceptance testing. C. Regression testing. D. Beta testing. The correct answer is A. Performance testing. Which testing is done without knowledge of the internal code structure? A. White box testing. B. Black box testing. C. Static testing. D. Unit testing. The correct answer is B. Black box testing. Which testing is performed with knowledge of the internal code and logic? A. Black box testing. B. Beta testing. C. White box testing. D. Acceptance testing. The correct answer is C. White box testing. Which testing combines both black box and white box testing approaches? A. Smoke testing. B. Gray box testing. C. Load testing. D. Recovery testing. The correct answer is B. Gray box testing. Which testing verifies that software can recover from failures? A. Recovery testing. B. Usability testing. C. Smoke testing. D. Alpha testing. The correct answer is A. Recovery testing. Thanks for watching. If you like more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.